For example, the following police force secretaries have been redeployed for no apparent reason except that they are perceived to be DPP sympathizers. Stuart Ligomeka, Sungani Mandala, Benny Botolo, Hilario Chimota, Gertrude Hiwa, Gray Nyandule Piri, Justin Saidi, Joseph Mandija, Kisro Dakamau, Somanje, Mr. Molen, David Mundi, and Dr. Manamarika. As this is not enough, Madam Speaker, DPP electoral commissioners, Dr. Jean Matsanga and Linda Kunje, have not yet received letters of appointment from the office of the President and Cabinet, as demanded by public employment conditions. Meanwhile, their colleagues from MCP and other parties have received their letters of appointment. It is my sincere hope that the President will soon take heed of a strong legal advice by the Attorney General Dr. Chikosa Sirungwe, that these needed transfers and dismissals shall soon backfire and cost more poor Malawians as taxpayers. His Excellency President Chakwera is a man of God. I wish to remind him and his government the following. 1, Saul planned to kill David, but he was the first to die before David. 2, Jezebel planned to kill Elijah, but God took him and Jezebel died and was eaten by dogs. 3, Haman planned to hang Mordecai, but he ended up being hanged himself. 4, governors and satraps in Babylon plotted that Daniel must be eaten by the lions, but they ended up being eaten themselves. Judas planned to kill Jesus, but Judas was the one who died before Jesus. And Herod the Great planned to kill Jesus, but he was the first to die. We shall not fear those who plan against our lives, because we are aware that there is God in heaven who has our days recorded in his book. We are aware that the devil shall come like a flood, but the Spirit of the Lord shall raise up the banner to stop him. Our enemies shall come from one direction, but they shall run away in 7 directions. We belong to the highest God, and we do not need to be dismayed or confused. If you attack us, you attack God, and therefore you will not prevail against God. Madam Speaker, to my fellow DPP and UDF members, I say please take comfort in the word of God from the Bible, Joshua chapter 1 verse 9, and I quote, "Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be terrified. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go." Lastly, honorable members, fellow Malawians, I urge you to continue to follow the COVID-19 regulations, as it's the only way we can beat this monster. Madam Speaker and honorable members, with these remarks, I thank you for your kind attention. May God bless you all, and may God bless Martha Malawi. Thank you.